let's start with that word biologics. What does that mean, and how does AI relate to it?
So maybe step back slightly. Exscientia is a company that's sort of made its name about using AI to do small molecule drug discovery. And everyone's very comfortable that they know what a drug is. It's very slightly about what we mean by the word drug there. But biologics are just another form of drugs. But instead of thinking about small chemical molecules, we think about proteins. But in particular, the easiest one to talk about is antibodies, because everybody's heard of those now because of the pandemic. So antibodies are natural in your system, but they can also be developed into very, very successful forms of drugs. They're the most successful kind of class of drugs currently for treating lots and lots of diseases. So that's the biologics bit. And really, this whole job was created for me to start building off what has been done in AI for small molecules to see how far you can push that so that you design using AI to make these much larger sort of protein-like molecules, so the antibodies and things like that.
Wow, that sounds super interesting. So you're focused on applying artificial intelligence in general, I guess, if we can define artificial intelligence neatly, machine learning and other kinds of computational statistical techniques to do things like predict protein structures, allowing Exscientia to discover and develop new drug candidates, right?
Yeah, exactly that. And it runs right through from, I like the way you said all the different techniques, because people always talk about AI, but what you really mean is using the data we have with all the tools now at our disposal. Right. And that runs from some really quite, I don't want to say standard statistics, but it is, through to really quite complex AI techniques in deep learning. And the idea is to take that as far through the process as we can. How much can computation speed this up, make it easier, make it less expensive, so that we get better drugs that are more effective to people faster?